Hey, what's up, good people? We got Stock Up with Larry Jones and my man Chris Sain as God is talking to us right now. Hey, bro, with the camera, come on over here. Look, we at the Melanin Money Awards, and then we got my man who is a options king right here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We just hanging out here together. We're all award winners. And look at this beautiful home we're at here in the ATL. We're going to get a little darker because we're going to come over here. We got this beautiful couple that is hosting us here in the ATL. Not only did he build this home, but he built a lot of this community. Him and his beautiful wife. What's your name? We're gonna start ladies first. Sharina, and what's
Patrick Henderson.
Yes, sir. And you build these homes.
I build these homes. I do a modern luxury home builder here in the A as well as international.
And what's your company?
PLH Homes, and then you can find me on IG or all social media handles, Patrick L. Henderson.
Yes, sir. One of these days, we're going to do something here, guys, and we're going to show you, we're going to do something for realtors. Like, you looking for real estate investments, we're going to do something here, right? Sir. We got a lot of you guys that are watching us. Well, let's get right into, sorry about that long intro, but hey, it's thundering out here. I'm dark enough. I don't need lightning striking me. But anyway, Sain, what happened to the market on Friday? And talk about what the market makers you think are doing.
We had a sell-off, and a lot of times, guys, these are the things that make retail investors panic. We don't need you panicking right now. We need you to understanding that these are the buy the dip opportunities, because long as critical support levels hasn't broken down, these is where your investment dollars can get you the best return on your investment. So with some of the stocks you guys know, like, and love that has fell in price, look at this as an opportunity for entry levels that you may have missed previously, but now that they have come full circle, you might can get them at a level that's now much more attractive, that now can get you a better return on your investment. So this is not the time to panic, but this is the time to double down and invest as well as buy the dip.
Love that. I have some stock that actually went red. That I got in late, and I'm still holding.
Yep.
As a matter of fact, I'm going to see what Monday brings. If Monday's another red day because of this big tech sell-off, then I will be buying more on Monday, right? We love, not every dip is a buy the dip, but we try to buy the right dips. You know that old song, when I dip, you dip, we dip. So what are you expecting from this tech sell-off? Because this tech sell-off was all China.
So
they're doing it better, faster, cheaper.
Yeah, and so they always use news to aid in the fear mongering to cause a sell-off. So you have to know the manufactured sell-offs versus some that's really real. Did your companies that you had already previously invested, did they change fundamentally anyway? No, but with the emergence of the Chinese taking over the headlines this week, it was a chance to knock the U.S. stocks down. So here's what we want you guys to think and consider. Okay, so with this sell-off, you guys are going to see that CPI played a small role, PPI played a small role. Okay, these are factors you must consider on your investment journey in terms of knowing how and when to deploy your capital. But also, talked about every dip is not a buy the dip opportunity. You guys need to make sure that you're buying quality first and foremost.
Right.
If there's a stock that had been running significantly that has pulled back, those are ones you want to key in on. So, for example, guys, you have the DRAM ETF, okay? Ticker symbol DRM, okay? If that's something that you missed the first time, but now that it has pulled back some, you have to, again, prepare yourself to get in. Now, listen to this. Seasonality is a factor, meaning it's the month of July. We have a midterm election a year. All these things matter, okay? So, for example, you have July and August are typically down months.
Yes.
Okay? History rhymes and oftentimes repeats itself, but you just need to pay attention to, okay, I can get in better position if the July and August downturn takes place, so that when we begin to rise again, into September, into October, November, December, you were properly positioning yourself for for this current downturn or pullback that we're experiencing. And so those are just some of the nuggets I wanted to kind of drop on you guys in terms of how to play this sell-off.
So you guys, everything he said is right in line with what I've been saying. CPI showed that inflation is actually coming down. Month over month, the lowest since 2020.
Yep.
That was Consumer Price Index, PPI, Producers Price Index, the same thing. We are in an election year, all right, midterms, right? These, remember, I told you guys, the summer, lower highs, lower lows for the summer. And then, bam, by the end of the year, we could be higher than we were the entire year.
Absolutely.
That's the way this market cycle works. So there's a time to buy. Every dip is not a buy the dip, but you better be buying some quality stocks at the right price, at the right time. It's hard to chase a bull once it's out of the gate.
Absolutely.
It's
so
very
guys,
hard.
Have your dry powder ready. Have your dollars ready to deploy. And listen, you don't have to capture everything. Have one or two at the very minimum that you want to deploy your dollars into off of this pullback, off of this sell-off. And if you see something you like, if you see something you previously missed, if you see something that you said, you know what, I missed it the first time, but I want to be in it this next go-round, this is the time to do it. Do not let them scare you with the sell-off and make you completely flee the market. That ain't what we want to see you guys do.
You guys know that we firemen, we don't flee, we run towards the burning building to catch the falling baby. That's what we do. When everybody else is running away from the deals, we run to the deals. But I'm very selective, like you said.
Absolutely.
I don't just buy anything. It's quality, quality, quality. Hey, we want to thank Chris Sain for being a guest on this show. I said, let me grab this. Let's just get it out to the people right now. You guys hear that thunderstorm in the background, right? I'm dark enough. I don't know about you. I'm dark enough.
See, I got my hat on.
Right,
You know
right. Again, we wanna thank the owners of this beautiful property. You guys rewind this, listen to him. If you're in the ATL area, we want to patronize these beautiful people for allowing us to do this. And that's it, man. Anything else you want to talk about?
No, man. Listen, guys. Use this as an opportunity. These are the buying opportunities of a lifetime that's talked about when they happen, but oftentimes they don't feel like that when it's really taking place. Do not let them trick you out your spot. Stay disciplined, run your race at your pace, and remember to stay the course.
And listen, trust the process. You always say, I'm gonna buy this at this, and then when it comes down to that price, you don't pull the trigger. And then it turns around and that bull is out of the gate, now you're trying to chase, right? Buy when you said you were gonna buy and sell when you say you were gonna sell. And right now, I'm gonna say this, like ticker symbol SOXL, triple leverage. Don't over trade that. Don't get in when it turns around and start going up. Only buy that when it goes down. Remember, buy the dips, sell the rips. Count your money at the bank, right? Know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to get out of there.
Yep.
That's Larry Jones's version, all right? Hey, again, we wanna be thankful to my bro Chris Sain winning an award last night. Congratulations,
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you.
And then, hey, anybody that's not subscribed to his page, do yourself a favor. Go subscribe to his page and watch every video, because I sign off on this brother. He is the real deal, okay? All right, listen, check out the links below. Money Moves, we will see you tomorrow morning. I'm jumping on a plane, and we will be live trading there. Live, love, laugh, and learn.